Hi, and welcome to this course. Are you curious to know how to manipulate text with code? Or do you want to understand how to easily predict the sentiment of any tweet or text you find online? If so, you are at the right place. I'm Benjamin, and I'm passionate about artificial intelligence. I founded AI Outsider with the ambition of facilitating the learning of AI. Have you ever wondered how to use the massive information we have at our disposal today, like online newsfeed, web shop reviews, or social media like Twitter? The problem is that this information is often so abundant that it becomes overflowing and practically unusable. That said, with over 6,000 tweets per second, we are likely missing a ton of information and lose the advantage of those who can use it. Fortunately, we have a solution. By combining text mining, natural language processing, and machine learning, it becomes possible to create an application capable of analyzing text sentiment at light speed. Capturing such a feeling is what is called sentiment analysis, and it is what we are working to achieve in this course. This means this course is not just about learning what text mining, NLP, or machine learning is, it is about combining them to develop a real application from scratch. So no, you might not be yet an unbeatable expert in one of these fields at the end of the course, but you will know exactly how and why your sentiment application works so well. Simply put, the objective of this course is to go through all the steps necessary for the development of a machine learning model, capable of analyzing and classifying any tweet sentiment. In theory, as well as in practice with Python, we'll cover everything you need to know. We'll see why we decided to work with data from Twitter. But we will very quickly learn how to clean and transform this text data so it can be used efficiently by a model. In the last part of the course, we will finally build our own model, and you will be free to use and test it with your own tweet. Obviously, all this will give us the opportunity to practice with some of the best-known data science libraries, including Pandas, NLTK, or Scikit-Learn. In any case, the objective is that by the end of the course, we have built a model that can predict the sentiment of any tweet with 90% accuracy. But you don't have to believe me yet. The best would be for you to see it for yourself. So why should you take this course? At AI Outsider, our purpose is to demystify artificial intelligence and show that everyone can apply it without being an expert at coding or having a PhD in mathematics. By following this course, you will get a real understanding of how machine learning models can actually understand and make predictions about text. But you will also exactly understand through which stages you have to go to get there. So, if you are interested in knowing exactly how to develop a sentiment model, as well as how to apply text mining and NLP techniques to such a topic, or if you are simply curious to know how AI can be applied to real-life issues, you will definitely benefit from this course. It's all put together, and you won't have to search for any information online. So, if you sign up today, you will get a balanced mix of theory and practice, and all the code and knowledge needed to build your first sentiment model. Don't worry, you also get the 30-day money-back guarantee in case it's not totally what you expected. Well, if you're ready, let's embark on our journey to sentiment prediction.